How to create memorable characters. Okay, first things first. Imagining a character is easy and fun. Putting it on paper for everyone to see is sometimes not that great. Maybe a few people will like your character design, like your mom, your best friends, but how about the rest of all humanity? Wouldn't it be great to follow some steps and get awesome character design? Hey, having an appealing character can help you tackle one principle of animation: appeal. I know, right? Can't get more obvious than that. So to achieve this, my mission in the following lessons will be to help you get a lot of ideas when creating a character. If you want your character to look stupid, you will know how to do it. If you need it evil, you will also know. Yep, you will be unstoppable and will have your creative juices working inside your head. We will talk about the different steps involved in the character design process, how to develop a character, psychology and personality, concept art decisions, we will cover some basic shapes and their meaning, line of action, and finally, we will design a character from scratch. Okay, let's look at each step in detail. Starting from the next lesson, we will check how to develop character psychology.